Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems that your Elden Ring Nightreign that it stutters or freezes and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually I got this game as you can see yesterday and I was so shocked when it was actually stuttering and freezing all the time. I was so disappointed, but I was able to find a fix that actually solved it completely for me. So after I did this one fix, it actually works so smoothly now. It's like I have no issues whatsoever, at least for now. So yeah, I hope that it's not going to be any issues like whatsoever going forward, but I was able to fix it at least myself. So basically what I did firstly is that I went into Steam right here as you can see, because I bought the game through Steam obviously, and then I clicked on library right here, so I'm going to click on library and then you should be able to view all of your games right here. So now when you have your games right here, you should be able to locate where it says Elden Ring Nightreign right here and then just right click on it, then just hover over manage, then hover over or click on browse local files, so just click there. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just click on game. Then you're just going to, I'm just going to see where it is. Oh, here it is, Nightreign right here, as you can see where the logo is. And then just right click on it. And then as you can see, you should be able to view a couple of options, but you're just going to click on properties right here. Click on properties, then click on compatibility right here. So basically before I didn't have this one, run this program as an administrator, I didn't have this one checked. So I checked this one, I clicked on apply, I clicked on OK, and then I went back into the game and actually like it hasn't stuttered or freezed after that whatsoever. So I think that this fix can actually fix it for you, hopefully. So try this and hopefully you will be able to fix it as well.